channel. Please excuse the lighting in here. The sun has just decided to come out, which is really annoying. Like, I'm happy that the sun's out, yeah, but right now, you just really didn't need to. But anyway, I am currently in the kitchen of our new house, and I need to film this haul because we need to put stuff away basically. Sam has been on at me for the past 2 days saying that I need to film this video, which I know, I've tried, and every time I've tried, there's been something new that we have to do, or like, yeah, I've just been so busy, but I've finally managed to find the time to actually sit down and do this haul. So this is going to be an Ikea haul, as you would have seen from the title. This Ikea haul actually, basically we've been to Ikea today, so this isn't from the stuff that we got from Ikea today. This is from like 3 weeks ago. So obviously my B&M haul has just been uploaded a couple of videos back, and yeah, this is what we got like that same weekend as that B&M haul. So this is a good like 3-4 weeks old, honestly. So yeah, these have been just sat here waiting until me and Sam had got a house. Basically, we just bought the odd few bits because obviously we've been applying for houses and whatnot. And yeah, we got accepted to this one, which we absolutely are obsessed with, and I'm just so excited for the future videos that I'm going to be doing, because we've got some office transformations, we've got bedroom transformations. Yeah, you guys aren't ready, so if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe, because there is going to be so many homeware videos on this channel now, and yeah, just homeware content, which I'm so excited for, like just to switch up my content up a little bit. I'm still going to be doing my hauls and everything like that, but it's just going to be so nice to get some fresh new content out there for you lot, and yeah, I'm just absolutely buzzing about it. So yeah, if you do enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok, and without further ado, let's get on into the haul. I'm gonna just get straight on into it and show you what we picked up. These bits are just like starter bits for obviously getting a new house. So first things first, I'm going to start with is this blanket. Now we saw this and fell in love with it. So me and Sam have decided in the living room that we are going to do a grey and dusty pink style like theme aesthetic. And yeah, we saw this blanket and I absolutely love it. It's like knitted material. It's called the Inga-Britta blanket, I think. Obviously they're Swedish, so if I butcher these names, then I am so sorry. The size of this blanket is 130 times 170 centimeters. So I thought this folded up on the arm of the sofa will be absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh, this lighting is just not the one. Try and brighten it up. But yeah, I thought this on the edge of the sofa folded over the arm will just look so cute. So yeah, we picked that. I have just made myself a cup of tea as well. How gorgeous are these mugs? These aren't from Ikea, but these are from HomeSense. I'll let you know on that. So next thing I've got to show you is some mugs. So we just put them in this box here just to keep them protected. It's really good actually that Ikea have these like laid around in the glasses and mug section. So we picked these ones, which are, now I'm looking at them, they look black, but I swear that they were grey. But they look more black now that they're home. We picked these up thinking that we're gonna go for the grey pink theme, because obviously when we have a cup of tea or coffee sat in the living room, it will match the aesthetic. But yeah, they definitely look more black now. But it's fine, I'm not fussed. We've got some mugs, so we've picked up 3 of these ones, and then we picked up 3 of these ones as well. As you can see, oh my gosh, I actually thought that they were the same style too, but they're not. These are square and these are like a little bit bigger. I really like these ones though. These are definitely my favourite. I think these are Sam's choice, but they're still really cute for a little mug of coffee or something. Yeah, so we picked up those. Next I'm gonna go in this bag here. So I picked up these fake eucalyptus like branches. So we got 3. I think these were like £3.50, £4 each. But yeah, I picked up 3 because we have got some vases that we're gonna pop around the house. So yeah, I just really like the look of eucalyptus. I think it's really cute. So I thought if I can cut these down and then pop them in a vase, and then I don't need to water them either. It'll be perfect. So yeah, just picked up 3 of those for now, just to go in a little vase like on the kitchen table, or in the living room, or on the landing, or in the office. Got so many rooms to choose from now where things go. It's amazing. We picked up some chopping boards. So I got this wooden one here. This is for like vegetables and like just things like that. And then I also got these ones here, which are obviously easily washable. And you get, I think, is there two? I think, yeah, there's two in here. So at least we can use one of these for like cutting raw meat on, which is what I thought, because I don't really like the thought of cutting raw meat on a wooden chopping board. I'd rather it be on one of these, and then you can easily like anti-back it down and everything. So yeah, I picked up 3 chopping boards. We picked up cutlery. Now me and Sam took ages to decide what kind of cutlery we wanted. We wanted like black, we wanted gold, and we were just like, if we want like black and gold, like we just didn't want original like silver cutlery, like, you know, like the normal style. Yeah, we were umming and ahhing on black and gold, and we were just like after time, like the gold or the black might chip off. So we saw these in Ikea, which we're still planning on getting more cutlery, because I don't think 24 is going to be enough. It probably will be, but I just like having lots. But I do really like these, so we picked these in the end. Sam's mum found these, and yeah, I really like them. I really like the wooden handles on them. So you get obviously your big dessert spoons, your teaspoons, your forks, and your knives. Actually, now thinking about it and looking at these, I need to get some steak knives, because me and Sam absolutely love steak, and yeah, we definitely need some steak knives for that. I picked up this basic kitchen roll holder. We haven't got any kitchen roll as of right now, actually, now I'm thinking about it. But I love kitchen roll for like wiping down the surfaces when you've sprayed your Dettol or your Vanish or Flash. So yeah, we just got this basic kitchen roll holder because obviously our countertops are black in the kitchen. And yeah, we've gone on like a black, white, grey type of theme in the kitchen, because our appliances are like grey because we love them. Like the microwave, the kettle and the toaster are all grey. Coffee machine is black, and fridge and washing machine are white. Washing machine's got a bit of black on it as well. We've gone for a black bin. So yeah, we're on the grey, black and white theme in here at the minute. But yeah, we'll just pick this up, just a basic kitchen roll holder. We picked up one of these famous Ikea jars, which we are obviously going to use as a cookie jar, because I just think these look so cute with the like cookies stacked up. So yeah, pick that up for cookies and biscuits. Then I picked this candle up because I just love the holder that it's in. So you can get obviously the basic ones in the glass jars, but this one's like a matte white material. Oh my god, it smells insane. So yeah, we've got this. This house is going to be absolutely full of candles, let me tell you that. But obviously some candles are decor and then some are for burning. So that's what I've said to Sam. I'm like, some of the candles we won't be burning, but others we can burn. So that's why we've had to get like a mixture of candles. Then we got some of the like bag clips, or like that you put on crisps when you've opened them. I probably won't use them for crisps, because normally when I open a packet of crisps I eat them all, because my guilty pleasure is crisps. So yeah, they probably won't work for crisps for me, but other things like pasta, pastas that you need to like seal back up, or rice or something like that. Yeah, they're just handy for things like that, so we picked some of those. Then I got this knife and peeler set, because always need a peeler for like peeling veg and potatoes and things. And yeah, I just thought the knife in it looked pretty cool as well. So it was just this little set of 2. The only thing when you move out of your family home into a house of your own, because you literally need to buy everything, that's where Facebook Marketplace is really, really good. Like me and Sam got our sofa from Facebook Marketplace, and honestly, it's like new. You wouldn't even tell. We just sprayed it with a load of fabric freshener, let it set, and yeah, it looks amazing, and you wouldn't really know. And to be honest, you don't need to buy everything brand new when you move house. This sun is really annoying me. And then the last thing in this bag, we got these knives. I love these knives. They're just so aesthetic, so nice. So they're black, and then they've got like the white bit there. So they're black and white knives, and they go perfectly in this kitchen because obviously it's black and white. This is going to be so hard to show you. So me and Sam got our plate. Yeah, we picked up these ones. I just really like the style of them, and they're like a grey colour rather than white. So this is what they're called. You get 18 pieces in this. They are so bloody heavy, so I can't really show you, but as you can see, they're like a square circle. I don't actually really know, like they look like a square, but they're still round. So like a rounded square. But yeah, so we got 6 bowls, 6 big plates, and then 6 like small plates. So small plates being for like sandwiches, the big plates being for like your tea or your dinner, and then bowls obviously for cereal and things like that. We've got another one of these boxes. So because we knew that we were gonna get a coffee machine, wow, that sun really, I'm gonna have to move this way a little bit because it is really annoying me. We just picked up 2 coffee or latte mugs from Ikea. So just the simple latte mugs like this. And we just picked up 2. We were going to pick up more, but we were just like, you know what, there's only going to be really 2 of us here. Majority of the time, like if anyone else wants something from the coffee machine, we've got plenty of mugs to use. Or if we're not using these at the time, then they can have these and we'll have them. Then I got another candle. And this one smells insane as well. It just reminds me of spring and just really fresh smelling smell. I think it's a jasmine. Is that jasmine? I'm not sure. I'm just really guessing at the minute. But we loved it as well because it came in this gorgeous pink ribbed glass, as you can see. And it'll go perfectly in the living room. Then we have some vases. So I picked this one up here. I think this one was £10 if I remember rightly. I saw this soon as we went in, and it actually had this eucalyptus plant in it, like so. So I'm thinking of keeping them inside this, but obviously they just need chopping down. Yeah, this is what I saw them in, so I was like, right, I need both. I need the eucalyptus plant and I need the pot. But yeah, I just love vases at the minute. I've got so many. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I love this one, and I know this one's a really popular one in Ikea. And then the next vase we got was this one. Again, pink, because we've got to fit the theme. So this one will probably go on the windowsill in the living room with some fake flowers in or something. I've got some tulips on order from Amazon, like some fake tulips. I think they'll look really cute in here, like some white tulips. Yeah, on the windowsill in the living room, I think that will go perfectly. But yeah, it's this gorgeous like dusky pink colour. All I have left to show you is some more like cups and glasses type of things. So first ones are here. They just look like so. They come in this box. Me and Sam don't really drink alcohol, so these are going to be more for like pop for us, but we just wanted some more like fancier glasses because we don't have any wine glasses because we don't drink wine. We haven't got any champagne glasses yet, but I do want to get some of those, you know, like champagne glasses, Prosecco flutes, whatever. Like them style of glasses, the really thin ones. Yeah, we haven't got any of them yet either because like I say, we just don't drink much. We drink gin, and we've got some gin glasses, and that's about it. But we saw these and I thought these were pretty cool, so I wanted to pick these up. These are like a blacky, like blue glass, and I just thought they were sick. So yeah, we picked 4 of those, and we'll even drink like our fizzy pops out of these because yeah, they're just so nice. So I love those. Then the last 2 things are here. So we got our general like glasses for like juice, squash, and we just got 6 of each. So we got 6 of these ones, which are the tall ones. So they just look like this. I love the style of these. My mum and stepdad had these in my family home, and I said to Sam, I was like, I love them, I've got a copy. I just think they're so nice and fancy. And yeah, I just really like them as well because they're a small rim around the top. I don't like it when you're drinking out of a glass and it's a really like thick rim. Is that weird? But yeah, I just don't. So we got 6 of these ones all in this box here. So 6 of the tall ones, as you can see. And then the last ones we got were the small ones here. We have these ones like with orange juice in. Sometimes people just don't even bother with these ones, but I like these ones for like a small glass of water, or yeah, orange juice in the morning and then we'll definitely use them. Or if we have people over and they drink like rum or whiskey, these glasses are good for that too. But yeah, that is it for my IKEA haul. I'm so happy that it's done now. Like I say, it's been needing to be done for the longest time. And yeah, now it's done, me and Sam can pack away, and at least Sam will be happy, because honestly, he's been going at me these past 2 days just to get it done. And I've been like, okay, I will. But I've been filming other videos and just trying to get the house sorted as well. But yeah, anyway, it's done now. I really do hope you enjoyed. Make sure you watch out for some more IKEA hauls in the future. Like I say, we've been today. Like, this isn't even the stuff that we've got today. This is from weeks back. But yeah, we've been today. I'm also vlogging today, so I vlogged the whole IKEA trip. And I will also be vlogging when Sam gets back, because he's just out at the minute. When he gets back, we're going to start building some furniture, so that is all going to be on that vlog. If you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed, because like I say, there is going to be loads and loads of home content coming your way on this channel, and I'm so happy about it. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, that is it from me today. And I will see you next time for a brand new video. Bye! Living at the high life, wishing you could be like them. They got the fast cars, diamonds on the high rise, always looking like a 10. Yeah, the first class always got that.